is it allowed to kiss one's wife while fasting, and does kissing have any effect on one's fast? Can a husband kiss his wife during fasting? There's a hadith in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, hadith number 1927. Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she said that the Prophet, peace be upon him, he kissed and embraced his wives during fasting many times. And he had more control over his desires than any one of you. That means kissing and embracing your wife during fasting is accepted, is permitted, as long as you can control your desire. There's another hadith, when a person comes and asks the Prophet, can I kiss my wife during fasting? The Prophet says yes. Another person comes and asks the Prophet, can I kiss my wife while fasting? He says no. So Sahabas asked me, the first person you said yes, the second you said no, why? So he said, I knew the first person could control his desires after kissing, the second person could not. Therefore I said yes to the first person and no to the second person. That means you are allowed to kiss your wife and embrace your wife during fasting as long as you can control your desires and do not go ahead and do anything which will break the fast. You do not commit any act which are fast breakers. If you have control, you can kiss your wife and even embrace her.